In some fun motocross news today, that's the 2024 Kawasaki KX450. So yeah, it's leaked. There's some couple videos and a couple photos of it, and if you're going to be watching how it's going to run, how it works, how it sounds, how powerful it is, whatever it is, you can watch the MXGP Championship. Because, and I looked this up, the MXGP series is a works bikes championship. Unlike over here in the US, where it has to be a production rule, all the bikes that are being run have to be able to be bought. Obviously, there's a ton of trick parts and everything in them, but whatever. In MXGP, that's not the case. You can run pretty much whatever you want. So these people are running the 2024 KX450 in the 2023 season. Going to be ridden by Roman Febvre and Mitch Evans. So yeah, it's kind of a neat little thing coming out today. That is an all-new bike, apparently all new. New engine, new frame, it probably looks pretty close to what it was, but apparently brand new bike. And it will be run in the MXGP 2023 championship a year before anybody even sees it. So tell me in the comments below, what do you think about this? Cool rule, cool bike, excited. Do you watch MXGP? Do you want Roman Febvre to win? Whatever it is, who cares? Just comment something down below. As you're going down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me playing the YouTube algorithm game, and I appreciate it a lot. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.